Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make egusi white soup. The Deltans, they call it egusi pepper soup, but we the Akwa Ibomites, we call it egusi white soup, and I'm going to be using chicken. So without much ado, let's jump right into the ingredients. So we are using chicken as the protein because egusi white soup is best made with chicken. Egusi as the main ingredient. We are also going to be using some uziza leaves, some scotch bonnet pepper, knorr and star seasoning, and some ground crayfish. This is one of the easiest soups to make. It doesn't require too many ingredients unless you want to alter the real taste of the soup. And the chicken flavor is the best flavor for this egusi pepper soup. So let's jump right into the cooking. So we are going to start off by steaming the chicken. If you want to use chicken to make this soup, it is best you use live chicken. So go in with some scotch bonnet pepper, add some knorr and star seasoning. I'm going to give that a stir. So I'm going to cover the pot and let the chicken steam in its own juice before adding any liquid to it. Okay. So that should take about 10 minutes for the chicken to steam and release its own juice. So 10 minutes later, so it is time to add water. I'm going to add more water because I want the water to be enough to make the soup once the chicken is tender. Remember, we are making egusi pepper soup, so it requires a lot of water. So I'm going to go in with more seasoning cubes. Add a little bit of crayfish. Give that a gentle stir. Test for seasoning. Perfect. Cover the pot, and I'm going to let the chicken boil for another 15 to 20 minutes. By then, the chicken would have been tender and will start cooking proper. So now the chicken is tender and it is time to go in with the main ingredients, which is the egusi. The egusi is already blended. So because we are making egusi pepper soup, I'm going to stir this as soon as I add it so it doesn't form balls. And I'm not going to be using too much because we are making egusi pepper soup, so you don't want the egusi to form balls, those egg balls, no. And you don't also want to use plenty egusi for this recipe. I'm stirring it because I don't want it to form balls. I'm going to add some more scotch bonnet pepper because you want it to be spicy. Go in with more ground crayfish to give that a gentle stir. And then test for seasoning. Okay, I'm going to add one more seasoning cube, that is star. That's a gentle stir to incorporate the ingredients. Test again. Okay, test is perfect. So I'm going to let that cook for another 10 minutes. It doesn't take time for egusi to be done. So while the egusi is on fire, I'm going to go ahead and chop the uziza leaves. This uzuza leaf and the chicken flavor is what gives this soup that banging flavor. Okay. So now our egusi pepper soup is ready. I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle the uzuza leaves. Ooh, the aroma is crazy. The uzuza leaf aroma has just filled this entire room up. Wow. Oh my goodness. What? This soup is scenting everything good. Like, it's scenting the deliciousness that is oozing out of this soup. My kitchen is smelling so good right now because the aroma of this soup has taken over this kitchen, and oh my gosh, this is chef kiss. Mwah. Can you see? And just like that, our delicious egusi pepper soup is ready. Now you can serve this soup with any swallow of your choice. You can serve it with pounded yam. You can serve it with eba. You can serve it with semo. You can serve with poundo. You can serve with oatmeal. You can serve with any swallow of your choice. Trust me, it doesn't select swallow. It does not select swallow at all. Best choice of soup if you're a swallow person and you want to eat without feeling guilty. I mean, if you're into weight loss, you're checking your weight and all that, best choice of soup. And of course, you know, chicken is lean protein, so you can eat this soup with oatmeal swallow without feeling guilty, just as I'm about to do. All this deliciousness. This is the best soup to make with chicken. You guys, our egusi pepper soup is ready, and we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support the growth of the channel and also to be a part of our amazing community. Don't also forget to comment, as I would love to read from you. Thank you very much, and let me know where you're watching from. Bye guys.